Hello and welcome to my channel today. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Also don't forget to like, comment and share with your family and friends. Today I'm going to make very special drink chocolate frappuccino. For this we are going to take full fat milk 400 ml. Take a blender jar, add milk in it. Now we'll add cocoa powder 2 tablespoons. You can go with any brand of cocoa powder available in the market. Adding 4 to 5 ice cubes. Now we'll add sugar 2 to 3 tablespoons. Cover the lid of the blender and blend it for 30 seconds. Our chocolate frappuccino has blended so well, it looks so refreshing and yummy. Now we'll serve it. As you have seen the recipe, it's a very easy recipe. Now we'll add some whipping cream on the top. After adding the whipping cream, grate the chocolate. It forms a new layer of chocolate and it gives a really nice flavor. As I told you, it's a very easy process. It's ready to serve now. If you're not willing to go outside and you want to have a Starbucks chocolate frappuccino at home, you can make this and enjoy the recipe. If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.